Assalamu alaikum dear students. Hopefully you all are enjoying good health. Today we are starting a new topic, that is components of human skeleton. Question number 1 on this page includes write components of human skeleton, or how many components of human skeleton are there. The answer of this question is there are two main components of human skeleton. Number 1 is axial skeleton and number 2 is appendicular skeleton. Define axial skeleton. Axial skeleton consists of 80 bones in the head and trunk of body. It is composed of 5 parts. Number 1 is skull, number 2 middle ear ossicles, number 3 hyoid bone, number 4 vertebral column, number 5 chest bone. MCQ on this page include the 206 bones in adult human skeleton are organized into a longitudinal axis. Appendicular skeleton is attached to axial skeleton. The last MCQ includes axial skeleton consists of 80 bones in the head and trunk of body. Head and trunk of body. Important MCQs on this page include skull contains 22 bones. Out of 22 bones, 8 are cranial bones, 14 are facial bones. Another MCQ includes middle ossicles are 6 in number. Hyoid bone is present in neck. Vertebral column contains 26 bones. The chest is made up of chest bone called sternum. There are 24 ribs or 12 pairs of ribs. The next part of human skeleton is appendicular skeleton. Question number 1 on this page is how many bones are there in appendicular skeleton? Appendicular skeleton is composed of 126 bones. Write parts of appendicular skeleton. The answer starts from this sentence. There are two parts of appendicular skeleton. First one is pectoral girdle or shoulder girdle. Second part is pelvic girdle or hips. MCQs. 126 bones are present in appendicular skeleton in total. Pectoral girdle is made up of 4 bones. Arms have 6 bones. Hands, both hands have 54 bones in total. Pelvic girdle or hips has 2 bones. Legs have 6 bones. Both feet have 54 bones in total as in both hands. Well, this is important to understand and remember that the bones in both hands and feet are equally numbered, that is 54. Alright, next. Important MCQs can be asked from this page. The upper jaw is fixed with skull. Number 1 MCQ. Upper jaw is composed of 2 bones. Lower jaw is mobile, not fixed. Another MCQ includes in lower vertebrates, the lower jaw is made up of more than 1 bone, while in mammals, लोअर जा इज मेड अप ऑफ सिंगल बोन. सो स्टूडेंट्स, ये क्वेश्चन इंपॉर्टेंट है कि लोअर वर्टिब्रेट्स में लोअर जा कितनी बोन से मिलकर बना होता है? इट इज कंपोज्ड ऑफ मोर देन 1 बोन. लेकिन मैमल्स में ये एक ही बोन से मिलकर बना होता है. द लास्ट एमसीक्यू इंक्लूड्स लोअर जा विद सिंगल बोन इज स्ट्रोंगर एंड मैलियस एंड इंकस ऑल्सो इम्प्रूव हियरिंग. The next topic is types of joints. Question number 1 is define a joint. A joint is the location at which 2 or more bones make contact. They allow movements and provide mechanical support. Question number 2. Write types of joints on the basis of degree of movement. Joints can be classified on the basis of degree of movement they allow. There are 3 types. Number 1 immovable joint, number 2 slightly movable joint, and number 3 is movable joint. Immovable joint is fixed joint. What are immovable or fixed joints? Such joints allow no movements. For example, the joints between skull bones. What are slightly movable joints? Give example. Slightly movable joints allow slight movements. For example, joints between the vertebrae. Moving towards the MCQs. First MCQ is taken from the definition of joint. A joint is a location where two or more bones make contact. There are basically 3 types of joints on the basis of degree of movement they allow. Joint between skull bone is an example of immovable joint. Short questions and MCQs have been indicated. We will discuss further types of joints in the next video, inshallah. Okay, thank you students.